Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a very basic workout that will include a little neck stretches and then a little core and cardio. So let's start with this neck stretch. Go back, breathe out. Then again breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Let's do it 2 more times. You have to stay focused on your breathing. Breathe out, left hold, center. Breathe out, left hold. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out very slowly. You must breathe out from your mouth. Breathe in from your nose. Back half rotation. Breathe normal. Half rotation. Never do a full rotation. Front half rotation. This is actually flexing your neck and your upper shoulder. A little shoulder rotation that we usually do in the warm-up. Try to flex your shoulders. Don't keep your hands like this. Always keep your hands firm so that you can focus on the complete rotation. Backwards. Keep breathing. If you're doing it good, you will feel a goosebumps. Okay, front and then back again. Keep breathing. Keep your core tucked in, and then now we are done with the basic stretch. A little upward, left and right, so that you will open up your body. Not too much of bending is needed. And then a little butt kick, standing butt kick. Kick your butt with your heels. Okay, now we are done. Let's start cardio. Keep your upper body loose and bounce. This is also called shadow skipping. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's do it. Let's do it 10 more seconds. Then we will move to jumping jacks. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Now start twist jump. Enjoy it. Make sure you are not overdoing it. Move your hands. Come back to spot bouncing and squat. Jump and squat. 3, 4, 5. Let's relax. Now after this, we'll do a little core training, standing core training. Catch your breath first. Hands on your belly. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, belly out. Breathe out, belly in. Now let's move to toe touch. 1, up, 2, up. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. If you are able to do this much, do only this much. 1 up, 2 up, 3 up. Don't exert your back Do as much as you can only. Slowly your body will open up. Now let's start 15 at a go. Just see how my toes are pointing. My toes are not like this, not like this. It's pointing straight forward with a shoulder width. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we will go backward in the cardio. Let's do 5 jump squat, jump squat, jump squat, 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 squat. Twist jump. You have to enjoy it so that you can get optimal benefit. Jumping jacks. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mouse. Shadow skipping. Just watch my hands. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And then we are done. Easy jog. Move your hands. Stay low, air should be out. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Keep smiling. All smiles. Your shoulders should be firm. It should not be like this. Not too rigid. It should be loose and firm. Spot jogging. And then we are done. Hands on your thighs. Body parallel to the ground. Use belly breathing. Breathe out, belly in. Breathe in, belly out. 5 times. Upper body straight, look straight. You will not look this. You will not do this. Upper body parallel to the ground. Look straight, hands on your thighs. 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come up. A little back crunch. And then we are done. You can repeat this workout 3 to 5 times. Make sure if you are a newcomer or a beginner, you must do this workout only once, and this workout can be done every day, 5 days in a week, before your regular training, before your running, before your cycling. So this is actually helping you to increase your cardiovascular, cardiorespiratory health, cardiovascular health, and at the same time is also working on your muscle strength and endurance. Cardiovascular is your ability to breathe in. Cardiorespiratory is your ability to utilize the oxygen that you had been breathing in. So cardiorespiratory and vascular both are important. So let's complete this workout 1 or 2 more times with the combination that I'll share with you to be done after this workout. Take care all of you. Bye bye.